Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, the 17th of the June 2021. Let's take a look at the Forex calendar because there were some important data released overnight. The first data are from New Zealand, where the GDP has beat the expectations of 0.5% with the actual reading of 1.6%, which is way better than -1% for the first quarter. Unemployment rate is falling to the level of 5.1%, which is very nice, and employment change is 115,000. That's beat the expectations of 30,000, and it's way better than -30,000 last time. So we will definitely take a look at the New Zealand dollar. Another important data today, the Swiss National Bank will announce today the basic interest rate. Please remember that the last reading was -0.75%, so it's very interesting to take a look what is the current interest rate. Today 9:30, this is this event scheduled 10 o'clock, Swiss National Bank press conference. And that's about it, and everything during the London session had been released except the consumer price index from the Eurozone, scheduled for release at 11 a.m. The market expects this consumer price index to stay at the level of 2%. During the New York session, we have data from Canada, ADP non-farm employment change, and Forex securities purchases scheduled for release 2:30, and 2:30 we have Philadelphia Fed manufacturing index, unemployment claims, and continuing claims from the United States. So the key data today is New Zealand dollar and the Swiss dollar and the Swiss franc. Let's take a look at the New Zealand dollar daily time frame chart. What do we have here? We have a breakout to the downside. As you can see, a 5 wave to the advance has been done. We have the first wave of the decline, wave B, internal 3 waves, A, B, C, and then we got this decline. Let's take a look at the Fibonacci projections to see what is going on with the recent decline to the downside. We are about to hit 161%, which is on 7,032 pips, and this is very nice target level for the wave C of the overall correction. Please notice that the fact that when we just use one more Fibonacci retracement level, let's say from here to here, and we can see that this would be way below 61%. So it's not that important, but anyway, this wave C is about to hit 161% in Fibonacci retracement. This recent low was made at 7,040 pips. Target is 7,032 pips. 8 pips shy we are now from the target for the wave C Fibonacci target. And this breakout is kind of important because it shows the market strength below technical support 7,097 pips. Of course, the next target when the level of 7,032 is violated is 6,941, which is this yearly low, and this is the key technical support for the market. So the New Zealand dollar is being sold, American dollar is being bought across the board. What is going on the Swiss franc? Let's take a look at the US dollar to the Swiss franc, and we can see that we have finally trying to bounce a little bit higher. We got this very nice ending diagonal, kind of a wedge here, and then we got the breakout first towards 9,045 pips, then another low. It looks like we got some sort of the double bottom made here, so let me just point it out. This is the double bottom, let's say level 8,932. This is the short-term trend line. We don't need it anymore because it's been broken already, and the market had broken through 9,045 already. This is big up candle, Marubozu candle, which is very bullish for the US dollar versus Swiss franc. The next target, technical resistance at 9,162. This is the technical, of course, resistance. The key technical resistance, except the level of 9,377, is first the level of 9,214. This is the key technical resistance. We might get there pretty much soon, because as you can see, this momentum right now is increasing, and we are already above 50 level. The last number is 61 points on the RSI. So bulls are definitely in the control of the market. Intraday technical support 9,079, the nearest technical support 9,045, and the key technical supports are those two here. So it looks like we are going higher towards levels of 9,162 on the US dollar to the Swiss franc. Let's take a look at the overall US dollar index, and again we have a move up. We have a breakout, so this is the low for the wave C. ABC movement to the downside has been made, and of course this is right now the biggest retracement, because it's 2.19% already. So all of this, as you can see, all of this technical resistances had been violated. Big candle, almost Marubozu candle, very bullish looking chart. Let me just take a look at the Fibonacci retracement to see how much we have retraced already. From the top to the bottom we have retraced 50%, exactly 50%, 91.47. The recent high was made at 91.48, so 1 pips above, 2.9%. We are starting another move to the upside. Looks kind of impulsive, but let's just wait a little bit to see how this bounce will expand. All of these levels here right now are of course the technical supports for the price. So 90.62, 90.92. there is another one which is, let me just mark it, 91.03, and the recent ones, which is 91.28, is now the technical support, and of course 91.40 is right now technical support. But let's just wait at the end of the week, because end of the day, the daily candle, because it looks like it might be as well technical resistance for now. So okay, this is the Fibonacci. Let me just remove one of the Fibonacci levels. 38 is no longer needed, so we will just get rid of it. The next target 61% at 91.93, and then the technical resistance at 92.32 or 92.52. so this is the next target for the bulls. Looks very nice right now, this move up. Let's see if we are moving inside of the channel. We are definitely out of the channel right now, so this is the main candle here on the US dollar index, which means that the market is now under the complete control of the bulls, and the higher levels are being expected on the US dollar, which means all of the US dollar related pairs like euro dollar, cable, and so on will go down, because the US dollar index is going up. So the market participants are buying US dollar and selling everything else, including the euro, the pound, the Japanese yen, and so on. So about the time to have a nice move to the upside on the US dollar index. Of course, it's the reason behind that move is the yesterday's FOMC meeting and the press conference meeting minutes. All of this was the reason for the market to react in the way like it is reacting right now, which means US dollar is up across the board. And it will be very interesting to see how the stock market will open today. S&P US stock market, of course, S&P 500, Nasdaq, Dow Jones. Maybe there will be some gap down, maybe there will be something important on these charts, but for now This is everything for this analysis. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I see you guys tomorrow. Take care and bye bye.